Okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video. I am starting off with clean, deep conditioned hair, and I've pre-parted it just for the sake of this video. Now I'm going in with my Camille Rose Moisture Milk for moisture, and then I'm going in with the Jane Carter Nourish and Shine Butter, and this stuff is amazing. I'm gonna talk about this more in another video, but you just want to put that on your hair, and as you can see, it just smooths my hair out. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the Eco Styler gel on top just for a little hold. So the first two products were for moisture, and then the gel is for some hold. So I'm just going to take my Tangle Teaser and then detangle my hair, and then I'm just going to get to twisting. You do want to make sure that you are super moisturizing your ends so that you can reduce the amount of frizz. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm sure you guys have seen a ton of twist out tutorials, but this combo actually worked for me. I am not a big twist out fan, I'll be honest with you guys. I am here for braid outs. If you guys want to see my braid out routine, I will link that above for you guys. But as you can see, I'm just twisting my hair like normal. I'm not doing flat twists, just individual twists. And then I like to take my denim brush or a Tangle Teaser and comb the ends and then twirl it around my finger. And I also like to take a bobby pin and secure it at the top, at the roots of my hair, just to make sure that the twists do not unravel and that I get some elongation. So I'm just going to be doing this. I'm not taking in neat sections at all. My sections are horrible. I never part my hair. I just kind of finger part it, if you guys want to say. But yeah, so I'm going to let you guys just ride out to the music and watch me do my thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.